What's the meaning of caste? Caste. Caste.
Caste. Caste. Caste refers to a social system in which individuals are born into distinct groups that dictate their status and roles in society. Castes are often based on family background, occupation, and ancestral traditions. In such systems, social mobility is limited, with individuals largely remaining within the caste into which they were born. Caste systems have been found throughout history and across cultures, but are most commonly associated with India. They have been the subject of much criticism for perpetuating inequality and discrimination, and efforts have been made to dismantle them.